First John 4:20. Whoever claims to love God yet hates a brother or sister is a liar. For whoever does not love their brother and sister whom they have seen cannot love God, whom they have not seen. This verse explicitly declares that a person cannot truly love God while hating other people. The person who claims to love God must also show love for others. This also ties into the idea that since we cannot see God in all of His divine essence, love is meant to be the way God is seen. To God be the glory, and I'll see you later. Good morning, guys! So I'm back again to vlog, and we've got something new in store for this content today. We're in Tagaytay. We're going to Tagaytay. The problem is, I sadly wasn't able to record our little trip going here for some reasons. But I did get, I was able to get a few pictures. So yeah, Waze is talking right now. We got a few pictures. When we were coming here. So we're here at near the Kapatiran's place. So that's one of the reasons why we're going to Tagaytay. And you guys are gonna meet them there later. They're gonna be fun to talk with. They're gonna be funny, and we're gonna have a blast of a time. So I'll see you later, guys. Bye-bye. Alright, guys, we're here at our destination at the Kapatiran's house. The problem is, it's too bright. I figured you've already noticed. It's too bright here. And I'll cut to the chase and enter because the sunlight's really getting into my eyes. See you later! Good morning, guys! So we're here in the Kapatiran's house. I have here our beloved Tita Wenny and Tito Jojo. Say hi, guys!
Hi!
Alright, now I just have one question for you po, Tita Wenny.
One only, yeah?
Okay po, yes. So, Tita, what's it like being a 60-year-old po? Tita, really, Tita? Oh, sorry ba, Tita? Wrong question. It was like for Tita Jojo mo.
It's okay.
Tita Jojo? What's it like po, Tito?
You're still strong.
Happy.
Happy, and I
Ano?
know God is always giving me this strength.
Yes. At least po, you get to live a happy life with Tita Wenny po.
Yes, of course.
Sorry po, Tita Wenny. And moving on to my real question. When you guys are in Saudi po, how's it like being together in Saudi po? Because it's different from Tade. He's far from mom and me po eh. So what's it like being together in Saudi po?
Which one? From living in Alcobar or
Yes,
living in Majma?
Living in Alcobar po.
Living in Alcobar?
Yes po.
A very complicated question.
Okay, anything that's easy for you po, Tita?
And living in Alcobar is good. Happy and with all brothers and sisters. So happy talaga.
Yes.
Very, as if you're in a family atmosphere. In Majma, you're like you're like somewhere somewhat like in another planet.
How chaotic po, Tita?
Very different.
It's different po, Tita?
Very different from Alcobar.
Yes. So guys, that's gonna wrap up our questionnaire
Okay,
for
thank
today.
you.
Oh, and I forgot to introduce our few friends too. We have here Kuya Sai. Sai, Kuya.
Face reveal.
Alright, face reveal, Kuya. There. Alright. And here's Ate Tintin.
Hello.
Yes! And we're gonna be talking about them later on in the episode. So please continue to be watching and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye! So guys, I just wanted to give you like a heads up. Like after we greeted our kapatirans, our fellow kapatirans, we're gonna go somewhere special. So yeah, that there's a view. We are going somewhere really cool. We're going to go at like some sort of a restaurant, but it has a view of Taal itself. To go to that restaurant, it looks so good to eat it and so good to dine in. Like it has a view of Taal itself. So yeah, just be prepared because we're gonna show you that view later on, and I'll be showing you, and we'll be showcase it. Yeah, we're gonna showcase it. So yeah, be excited and please continue to please continue watching because you know I need more views. Please, my precious. I'll see you in the other videos. Bye guys. Oh, and yeah, keep watching. Please do keep watching. You haven't seen the best part yet. You haven't seen the meat of this episode. See ya. Alright guys, so we're here in the said Bulalo capital. This is where we're gonna be vlogging in, and this is where we're gonna have a beautiful sight and view of the Taal volcano itself and Taal Lake too. So let me just go down the stairs with my dad. Oh, I love it. I love it already.
So this is the breathtaking view of Taal Volcano, which you can enjoy while eating in the restaurant. It was a little foggy during our visit, but still we got to enjoy looking at this marvelous creation of God.
Alright guys, so we are here at the Alpines. Like, I've seen this in YouTube before. They say that this is a great place to go to in Tagaytay. And yes, you are right. We are in Napa, which is in the crosswinds. It's beautiful. Like, I like the food, like the restos here, the restaurants, the places where you can go to drink your coffee. And the views itself, like Tagaytay is a nostalgic place for like, you know, Jurassic World lovers such as myself. You can go here to enjoy the view.
And we are now at a cafe located here in the very beautiful place of Tagaytay. This is what you will see while entering the cafe. I love their beautiful and colorful decorations that are so appealing inside. The ambience is very aesthetic as well. Cafe Voila is known for its signature coffees and cakes that you can see as you enter their place, along with their colorful display of antiques and decorations. At the counter area, you will see their menu posted, which gives you a lot of choices to order. And they also have a restroom for their customers, which looks very clean. At the right side of the counter, you will enter their main dining area, which is very spacious to accommodate more customers. The place is so relaxing and comfortable that you would really feel at home while eating their sumptuous food. Look at that vibrant design and setting! From the ceiling to the lights, walls, and even the table setup! They even have a tree trunk inside their restaurant that makes it more tropical. This place would really give you a soothing mood, especially when you are eating with your loved ones. After eating at the cafe, I still managed to take a video of the site. I really love the cool atmosphere and the outstanding view of Tagaytay. No wonder it is one of the most popular destinations here in the Philippines. And the day is almost over. We are now going home before it gets dark. Of course, when we talk about going home, we can never forget the pasalubong! Before we finally get back home, we stopped in a shop to buy some goods for our loved ones. And this is where we bought our quote-unquote pasalubong. They have lots of goodies to choose from. And yes, this is the end of today's episode. I hope you had a lot of fun as I did. And I hope I could visit Tagaytay soon. Of course, I would like to thank the Juntura family for accommodating us and touring us around the place. I can truly say that Tagaytay is one of the best places you can ever go to. I thank God for giving us the opportunity to visit the place and for His protection as well. Lastly, thank you for watching this episode and I hope I'll see you on another video again. Who knows, we might cross paths again. To God be all the glory. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, my cuties. Bye-bye!